So these are the Bodox D400 lights, which are essentially the main lights which we are going to be using in our photos or in our photo booth. Well, basically, I've already mentioned a few things about it because you can see here the digital trigger. But leading off from that, you can see that here I've taken a picture of all the buttons. Here's a slave one which you can click. On the other ones, because we have 4, on the other 3 you'll have to click the slave button, so then they'll be in tune to this. I think that's so amazing, honestly. It's great. Anyway, Sir showed us a few things, like why you need to adjust these, what difference that's going to make. He's also showed us what you need to do for attachments. Like, I know here that there are 2 attachments clearly. You've got the barn doors, but you've also got the Bowen mount, the ball thing. But if excluding that, it's still pretty much that. Yeah, I think they're so cool though. And they're really simple to set up because all that you need to do is literally plug it in and then adjust it. And apparently, well, not apparently, we've been told that for the best results, you need to have 2, we've got 2 more of these, to have on a backwash. So basically just makes everything behind the person white. So then there are no shadows, no nothing. So when it comes to editing, it'll be much easier. But we've also been told that it's quite nice because I'll talk about them later, but we've got some different ones which can be featured to make it a bit more interesting on the background if you're not editing. So these can be used in a lot of different ways, but unfortunately they're not very portable. The stand is, but it's not. It's easier just to keep it all in there because, oh god, that would not be good if it didn't work. But yeah, there are other ones which are better portable, but these, they're really good. They're very, very strong. Take it from me, honestly. When we were setting them up, we had a few incidences where I'm turning it on, a few bright lights in people's eyes, but that's just normal, isn't it? Anyway, yeah, these are definitely going to be good. I think we can get some good photos out of them.